Automate365 by NowCerts. Hello there! In this video, I will focus on the use of logic in workflows. There is a specific action called if-else, and it is a very powerful way to add a conditional split into your workflow. I have already set up my workflow to fire upon adding the tag prospect, and I have also added the first action, which is an immediate email. For the purpose of this video, it simply says hello to the prospect and asks them to book an appointment to discuss their insurance needs. Prior to this, I converted the link to my calendar into a trigger link and I inserted it in this email. You will see why soon. Let us first start with logic based on email events, such as opened, clicked, bounced, and so on. And then we will move on to logic based on trigger links, date and time, and contact details. For email event logic to work, we have to first add a wait step before adding the if-else condition. Set it to wait for an email event. Select the email. Select the email event. Let's say we want to check if it was opened. You can even set a timeout. So let's give our prospect 2 days to open the email. Save action, and now is the time when we add the if-else condition. In this way, the condition is not checked immediately, but we give it some time so that it could be satisfied. Otherwise, it would check it immediately and they wouldn't have opened their email so soon. Okay, now after clicking on if-else, under segments, select events, email event is opened. Save, and there we go. We have a conditional split in our workflow now. Thus, you can choose what event follows based on whether the prospect opened their email or not. For example, you may want to send them an SMS if they disregarded your email. And if they did open it, you may want to make a further inquiry, such as whether they clicked on the trigger link in your email. Again, you should start with a wait step so that the condition isn't checked immediately. Wait for trigger link clicked. Select trigger link and you select the link you included in this specific email you send out. Then again, you can set a timeout. Let's set it to 1 day this time. Save action. And now we could add the if-else condition under segments, events, trigger link clicked is, then again select the trigger link, save action, and there we go. We have another conditional split. Now, maybe you would like to proceed with sending emails to the prospects that opened the first one and even clicked on the link. But what if you don't want to send them emails on a particular day? You can achieve this in 2 ways. One, you can go to Settings, which is up here on top of this particular workflow, and choose specific time. Or you can use conditional logic here in the workflow. For example, select the action if else and then date time, current day of week is not, let's say we don't want to send emails on Sunday. Save action. Then it is not Sunday. Yes, it is not Sunday. And we want to send an email. Not Sunday. Great. Save action. And what if you would like to send different emails based on a prospect's location? That is yet another possibility. You go to the If Else tab, select Contact Details, and here you can choose the city, the address, country. Let's say we want to send it out based on the state that they are in. So what if we want to send the first email to those in Florida? Save action. There we go. There are actually many possibilities, and it would take a long time to go over all of them. Just play around with the workflow builder if you find it interesting, or you could just tell us what you need and we will create the workflow based on your business input. For any questions or comments, please send an email to info@automate365.net. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.